live on New Year's Eve, Sunday. This is 2-box, 23 draft jumbo, and 23 chrome black. Pick your division, number 3. This one was a PYD break that hit the store live at 9 a.m. Pacific time, just like all of our PYD breaks here at Bulldog Sports Cards. Thanks for hopping in early and often. Appreciate the love, y'all. Good luck. All cards will ship. Thank you for the rip. Good luck here. Let's find ourselves some bangers. This is the box 3, 4, and 5 will be each of these cases. First up is for the AL Central. That's a Brooks Lee Lunar. Refractors of Riley and Skeeter. Taylor, McGraw, Whitaker, George, Hydepool, Baumeister, Chase Davis for the NL Central, Refractor, Hydepool, and Whitman. What's the score on that Chiefs game, Eli?
19-17.
Chiefs are up?
Yeah.
Are they driving again?
No, it's not.
How much time is left?
10 minutes.
So they're saying there's a chance?
Yeah.
So ideally, wait, Chiefs are up? Okay, so ideally they score here and then hold. Not a field goal though. We need a touchdown. Here's a numbered Skeens for the Central, Jimmy. That is to 250 on the numbered Skeens. Oh, by the way, Reds West, we submitted an orange Brandon Miller for PSA. That's on the way back to you, so I'm going to send you an invoice when it gets here. You can just pay that, and I'll get it out with your next package, okay? A blue paper Vaquero for the NL East. A mood ring for the Orioles, Bradfield. AL East. A sparkle of George for the NL Central, Brooks Lee and a Zanatello. That's a Tommy Hawk. A Bergola and a Rocca 40 refractor. Clark, Clifford, Wyatt, Johnson, Abner, oh, come on, be big. Sparkle Auto, be big. Be big. To pitcher. It's a Cole Denton, or Cade Denton for the NL West. Charter Y is on the NL West. Fractor of Clifford and Naylor. Churio and the Cox. What happened on the Chiefs game?
Nothing. They're almost 35 now.
Francesco Rada, Hauk, Burns, Maeda, and a base auto, excuse me, a fractor auto, Bradford for the AL East. Country Clubbin. Castro and Matt Shaw, refractor. Sabalos, Hawk, Churio, Qstead, O'Donnell, a DeLeo, Gilbert, and a Max Anderson. Base auto, Cox for the AL West. Mejia and a Salty Band. Got a Gutierrez, Briley, Fisher, Basilo, Arias, and a Sky Blue. That's DeLeo. Refractors of Thornton and Walton. All right. One box of black coming our way. Verlander, Mookie Betts, and a Wander Franco to 99 for the AL East. That's who Country Clubbin was looking for. All right, here we go. Last box of the break, or last card of the break. It's a rookie gold. It's a gold rookie to 50. Come on, be big. Looks to be a batter for the Marlins. Encarnacion. NL East. All right, just do a quick recap here. Had the Franco, DeLeo, the Cook, Matt Shaw refractor, Bradfield, Denton, Hawk, George, Bradfield again, Vaquero. The nice Skeens here to 250. Chase Davis, Brooks Lee, and the Encarnacion. All right, thanks for the rip. That was Pick Your Division number 3.